Okay, what we're going to do today is I managed to pick up quite cheap. It's a tens machine. I thought it'd be fun just to mess around with it. There we go, there's a little pick with it as well. And here's the unit itself. As you can see, it's actually got two channels there. We're just using the one channel at the moment. It's got two pads on each channel. So I'll just go and stick it on. It's about in there. And third, I think it was. So as you can see around there, I've got two gel pads on there and stuff like this. Also, what I've got set up here is my body voltage. So if we go onto that screen, okay, and obviously blue wires go to the earth, and I've got my line thingamajig. So if I start holding this without anything turned on, give it a second for it to sort itself out. And I'm going to turn the machine off, and you can see on there. Right. It's actually not emitting anything at the moment, so let's give it a couple of seconds. So it seems to be sitting around about 1.38. So I think what I'll do is I'll clear the data here. Clear all. Give it a second. It's more likely to. So there we've got kind of like a baseline which is 0.3 odd. A few seconds. Right. So tens machine isn't outputting anything. Put it on to 1. See if we can see anything. Oh, slightly, but not really much. Put on 2. Can't really feel anything. Sort of feeling a slight tingle. Give me this. Slight tingle. Not really feeling much. And really have to get this focus. I'll put it on to 3. Oops, now I'm on to 3. Now it's kind of like a little throbbing. A little kind of throbbing on it. Still not too much. Give that a few minutes. Oh, now I can start feeling something. Now it's like somebody just tapping me, sort of in these places, just tapping. My pads are just sort of like tapping. Some problem for that. I can't really see that very well. Program format better. Up again to 5. Oops. One up. There we go. Ooh. That's a lot sharper than that. Well, that's almost like somebody drilling. Kind of zzz, zzz, zzz kind of effect on that. And ooh, I'm not going to more. That's actually quite. Oh, that's horrible. That. Ugh. Somebody's like using like a cheese grater up and down your arm. Right? I don't think I want too much of that. Put it back down. Because there's not a great deal of stuff that's showing up on this. Even though it is a bit wavy over the thingamjigs. The actual voltage is not really moving up that much. So we'll kind of we'll go on to the next one. Yeah, I'll kill this, I think. Right. Now this one. Again, this one's slightly different. Get rid of the voltmeter for now. This is using the probes. I'll sort this out. Right, that has to go to earth, doesn't it? So that goes to the earth. That goes to the earth. Alright, so I'll have to start this up. See how this goes. Give it a few minutes. Just get kind of like the baseline. Right, how much of a touch it? So that's if I touch it. And that's without anything on the tens machine. Right, well, let's see what happens when I put it up to, it's on 0 at the moment, the tens machine, put it up to 1. See if anything happens here. Nothing really much changing, I don't think. Can't really feel anything on 1. Same as in 2. Oh, get a few odd spikes. So you can see like an odd spike here every now and then. Right, let's put it up. I think these bits here are raised as well. So I'm going to put it on to 3. So let's feel a slight tingle there on 3. What I might do is just move this to that. Little tingles. I'll put it on to 4. That's like somebody tapping you. That feels like. See a bit more of these more come up here. Can still seems to see odd spikes here. That's quite a big one. Right, put it on to. I'll put this on to 5. It feels like somebody's thumping there. Instead of before it was like that on 4 or 5, it's like this. Right. And we'll try 1 6. Again, a bit more. A few more spikes there. Ooh, let's change the pattern. It's not like a the. You can see how that's changed there, isn't it? That's like a the kind of thingamajig. That's changed quite a lot there. Quite impressed with that. Ooh, that's really quite a really intense pins and needles kind of the kind of effect on that. Oh, pretty cool. I don't know if I'll go to 7. Will I go to 7? Ooh. Oh, why is this not going on? Ooh. Oh, that's quite intense, that. Oh, a lot more spikes over here. A lot more. You can see a lot more spikes here, and obviously this is quite there. See like that? Oh, that's quite tingly. Anyway, Just thought through that. I think now I'll try and put it down again. If you can see that very well on that. Put that down. Oops. Unfortunately, I'm going to figure out how I can get up the camera. Let's put it down to 5. Four. Why does it stay? It's a bit wrong here. There we go, mark it up. That's on 0. No, that's gone back to 0. So I've turned it off and see how that all just disappeared. So there we go. That was quite interesting. Okay, thanks for that. And see you in the next video.